Short division. There are three parts of a division: the dividend, the divider, the quotient, and the remainder. The dividend is the largest number being shared. The divisor is the number of groups sharing the dividend. The quotient is the answer for what each group receives. The remainders are any leftovers that cannot be shared equally. How to do short division: a 2 or 3 digit number divided by a 1 digit number. Let's look at the example 144 divided by 6. 1. Position the numbers in the right places. 2. Divide the tens digit of the dividend. How many times does the divisor go into the dividend? Write this down. In this case, 6 doesn't go into 1, so we join 1 to 4 to make 14. 6 does go into 14, it goes in twice. 3. Are there any remainders? Carry the remainders over to the units column. In this case, 6 goes into 14 twice with the answer of 12. The difference between 12 and 14 is 2, so we carry the remainder of 2 to the next number to make 24. 4. Divide the units column by the divisor, including the remainder from the tens column if needed. How many times does the divisor go into the units column of the dividend? Write this down. In this case, 6 goes into 24 exactly 4 times, so our answer is 24. 5. Are there any remainders? Write the remainders down to show how many digits are left over once the whole number of the divisor has fit into the dividend as many equal times as possible. Let's show you how. How to do short division with remainders. Sometimes you will follow the steps above and find an answer that might have a remainder at the end, a number that cannot be shared by the divisor equally. For example, here you'll notice that you can divide 4 by 4, but when dividing 7 by 4, you won't get an exact answer as it leaves a remainder of 3. So how should you write your answer? As there is a remainder of 3, you write your answer as 11 remainder 3. The letter R stands for remainder.